Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add family member on Facebook. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open your profile and here you can see click on this your profile name. After that, scroll down and here you can see option family member. For scroll down and here you can see option family members. Click on this add family members. Click on this add family member. After that, here you can see you need to enter the your here you need to enter the name of your family member. For example, this is my family member name, and now you what you need to do after adding, you select on this, click on your family member profile. Here you can see click on this family member your profile. Here click on this and save your family member profile. In this way you can add Facebook. In this way you can add family member profile on